spotlight. You got the spotlight.
Okay, so now that I have the spotlight, I'm going to tell you a funny story about something that happened to me yesterday. I woke up in the
happened to you
morning
yesterday?
and I fell out of my bed.
Woo!
And then I went to get myself some cereal for breakfast and the bowl fell on my head. And then I went outside to take the garbage out and a bird pooped on my head. And then I got hit on the head with a noodle, a big blue noodle. And that was a second ago. And it happened again and again.
This is